In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn on email approval requests in Hubspot. Email approval requests are useful when you want more control over marketing emails before they go out. This is especially helpful for teams that need a manager, editor, or compliance reviewer to approve content first. Once this is turned on, Hubspot can require certain users or teams to get approval before an email can be sent, and it can route that approval to the right people. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Hubspot account and you are in the main dashboard. Look to the top navigation area for the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click that settings icon to open your account settings. On the settings page, focus on the left sidebar menu. This is where Hubspot organizes all of the main configuration areas. In that left sidebar, find Marketing, then click Email. This brings you into the Marketing Email settings, where you can control how email creation and sending works across your account. Near the top of the email settings area, look for a tab labeled Approvals or Track. Click that tab. This is the section where Hubspot lets you define when approvals are required and who can approve emails. Next, find the button that says Set up Approval or Tracking and click it. This starts the setup process so you can define your approval rules. Now you will choose the users or teams who require approval. In other words, you are deciding who should be blocked from sending a marketing email without someone reviewing it first. Select the appropriate users or teams based on how your organization works. A practical tip is to include anyone who is new to email creation or anyone who should follow a brand or legal review process. After that, select the users or teams authorized to approve. These are the people who will be allowed to review and approve emails for others. Choose individuals or groups who are responsible for final checks, such as marketing leads or brand reviewers. Make sure the approvers have the right access in Hubspot so they can open, review, and approve emails without delays. Once everything looks correct, go to the bottom left and click Save. This applies your approval settings and turns on the process going forward. And that is all there is to it.